Namaste, minasan konnichiwa.
Welcome to our channel by Bhasha. This is Bhargav.
This is Shalmali.
So today we'll be making Japanese style stir fried vegetables which is known as yasai itame.
Yasai itame are made up of vegetables and it is absolutely delicious. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that bell icon.
So without any further delay, let's get started with
Yasai itame.
The word yasai means vegetables in Japanese. So we are going to use as many veggies as possible. You can also add your favorite veggies to this recipe. We are using quarter of a big cabbage roughly chopped, half of a carrot thinly sliced lengthwise, half diced onion, one sliced capsicum, two big pods of garlic finely chopped. We are using moyashi, that is bean sprouts. They are widely used in Asian cuisines. We've used them in our ramen recipe too. Watch that video as well, link in the description box. Also, we are adding chives. Chives are herbs related to garlic and onions. In supermarkets in Japan, you get ready to cook chopped vegetable packets for making yasai itame. Usually meat or eggs are also added to this recipe, but we are not adding them today. The word itame comes from itameru in Japanese, which means to saute. So let's stir fry up these chopped vegetables. In a heated pan, add 1 tablespoon oil. Once hot enough, add chopped garlic, half tablespoon finely chopped red chilies, diced onions, and toss lightly for a few seconds. Now add in all the vegetables and mix well. Make sure that you cook the veggies on high heat. Now add salt as per taste, some pepper, lastly, add 1 tablespoon soy sauce and give this a nice mix. You may adjust the amount of soy sauce and other ingredients as per your preference. Also, the preparation for this recipe, that is, cutting veggies, will take more time than cooking. And that's it! Colorful, healthy, quick, super tasty yasai itame is ready. Dig in and enjoy!
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Have you noticed anything in the background?
We hope you like it. You can share your thoughts about our video and the new background in the comments below.
Or you can DM us on Instagram as well. Thank you so much for watching.
Arigatou gozaimashita. Bye bye.